So here is what I found in the attic today. I was cleaning up my desk and I got distracted. I also figured out that I didn't have anything to put on my desk. So I went and searched up my attic and I found this case. So during this part, I actually thought it was a time lapse, but it ended up being a slow motion. So here's me opening it up. Yes, it was a beautiful typewriter, and I was so shocked at how clean it was on the inside, but it was so dirty on the outside. So I took it out of the case. I did not even know we could do that. So here it is, what it looks like. So beautiful.